Just use your comedy improv. Oh, we're recording. So, hello YouTubers of YouTube land.
I am a YouTuber.
I am a YouTuber.
Are you a YouTuber?
I am a YouTuber. Wow, we should actually get to the point of this video.
Anyways,
so
we're gonna sing Hey Jude.
And
Like
gag me with a spoon.
Like gag me with a spoon?
Like a rusty one. Boston butt is effective. Alright. But anyways.
Yeah, so, Hey Jude.
Yeah, so we give congratulations to the person that can actually survive through this whole video without their ears bleeding.
Or dying.
Yes.
Or screaming, or running away, or
crying. Because we are so deaf.
Attack, mental retardation, or...
We didn't have that stuff this morning. Okay, this video is gonna be really long now. Dude.
We are horrible. Don't film your boobs.
Just go. Alright. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Stop. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world up on your shoulders. Shut up. Do the best again. For well, you know that it's a fool who plays it cool. Making the world a little colder. Da 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 da. Jude, don't make your friend. No, don't let me down. Don't let me down, Hannah. What do you say? Now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You guys are retards and I hate you. I hate you too. I feel congratulated. Yeah, we're gonna end now. Yeah, so because Jared being retarded. Little brother James is so
absolutely
stupid
retarded. We hate him with a burning passion.
Bye. Comment.